Hey guys, so in this lecture you are going to learn how can you create a landing page to capture your client details so that whenever you have any products that you want to sell, you can always utilize this email list or this customer base. So this is one of my landing page that I created with GetResponse. Learn effective marketing tactics from experts. So what am I offer over here is that I will offer a free ebooks for those that give me their name and also their email address. So when they click on this download button, they are going to get to download my free ebook on effective marketing tactics. So now let's learn how you can create a landing page. So first of all, just go to GetResponse. Just feel free to get your free GetResponse accounts. Click on create landing page. So you will get all sort of templates that are already done nicely for you to use. Over here you get to see a lot of templates that you can use. So what we want is sign up and registrations. What we are looking over here is that we want to find something that is very simple, straightforward, clean and tidy. So this looks pretty good. So just enter your landing page name. So this is the landing page that we are going to use. Everything that is over here you can customize. So the page over here is highly customizable. So over here just get the logo or the branding of your business. So just feel free to put the name of your business or the products over here. Just feel free to explore a bit more on yourself regarding all those functions over here. It is pretty easy to use. So I want to add an image on my landing page. So I'm just going to drag and drop this icon over here. Okay, increase sales and grow your business. I think it's pretty good. So when you are satisfied with all the settings over here, let's go to thank you page. So this is the page that your customer is going to see straight after they click the sign up button. So we might want to change this image over here as well. So this is your thank you page and this will be your landing page. So this is the page that your customer is going to see. So when you are done, just click on next steps. So in this description box, it is very important that you put at least 2 to 3 long or short keywords regarding the niche or the product or the business that you are selling, because this is how Google is going to rank your page. I would like to share with you is that no one will give you their email address or their personal details easily. So you have to offer some sort of free things such as an ebook or webinar in order to get your potential clients details. So over here I'm giving out a free affiliate marketing ebook. So this is the landing page URL, which is the link that you want your clients to click on or your user to click on. You can change it if you want. It will be best if you can put up the name same as your product so that the branding will be much more consistent. So when you are done, just click on publish and you are done. So this is a link that you can put it on your Facebook and your YouTube to collect email list. So this will be your landing page. Now the next thing that we want to do is that we want to create an autoresponder where after people sign up, they will straight away get the link to download this free ebook. So let's go back to GetResponse. Click on this dot on landing page and we want to create autoresponder. So let's create autoresponder. This is day 1. Give your autoresponder a name so that it will be much more organized. Create new email. So this is the message name that appear in the list of your messages, and it will not be seen by your subscriber. So this email message I would like to put as free ebook email, and the subject will be maybe just download your ebook here. When you're done, just click on next steps. So same thing, there are a lot of templates that you can choose from, but what I will normally prefer is plain text. So I will just write very simple, thank you for joining. Well, this might not be the best sentence or email that you should be sending to your customer, but this is just for the demonstration purpose. You can include the ebook on this attached link over here. So you can attach your ebook over here, or you also can put the download link over here so that your customer get to download your free ebook. So when you are done, just click on next steps. So what it does is that straight after your clients sign up on your landing page, they will immediately get this email where they can download your free ebook. So same time as sign up. When you're done, just click on save and publish. So you are done. So this is how you can set up a landing page to collect email address, and also how you can set up a autoresponder that immediately will send a message to your subscriber to download their free ebook.